Welcome to our channel. Elevate your dental care routine with Prodentim. Designed for mornings, these chewable tablets promote optimal oral health. Just one tablet kickstarts your day, nurturing your teeth, gums, and overall well-being. Check the bottle for usage details. Prodentim's manufacturers recommend a consistent daily dosage for 90 to 180 days for optimal results. The suggested duration of 3 to 6 months reflects an efficient approach to observe the potential effects on gum and teeth health. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance on incorporating Prodentim into your oral care routine. Timing: take Prodentim in the morning. Dosage: chew 1 tablet. Purpose: supports teeth, gums, and overall body health. Instructions: refer to the details on the bottle for more guidance. Scientific references by Prodentim from official website. Check below in description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Share this to your friends